Welcome to Bike Future Hub, your ultimate destination for two-wheeled thrills and reviews. Today, we dive into a much-awaited adventure tourer that's ready to take the compact ADV segment by storm, the 2025 Suzuki V-Strom 160. Suzuki has designed the V-Strom 160 to cater to riders who crave adventure in a manageable and beginner-friendly package. Let's take a closer look at what makes this bike a game-changer in its class. The V-Strom 160 borrows its rugged styling cues from its bigger siblings. It features a bold, adventure-ready design with a sharp, beak-like front fender, a tall windscreen, and a muscular fuel tank. The split LED headlights give it a premium look, while the upright seating position screams long-distance comfort. Under the hood, the V-Strom 160 is powered by a 160cc single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine, producing around 15 horsepower and 14 Nm of torque. Designed for versatility, this engine delivers smooth performance in urban settings and enough grunt for light off-road trails. The 6-speed gearbox is precise, and Suzuki has tuned the power delivery to be beginner-friendly while still exciting for seasoned riders looking for a lightweight ADV experience. The V-Strom 160 shines with its suspension setup. A telescopic front fork and a monoshock at the rear provide a balanced mix of comfort and control. With a ground clearance of 109 tim, this bike can confidently tackle uneven surfaces and light trails. Suzuki has packed the V-Strom 160 with modern features. Full LED lighting ensures visibility during night rides, and the bike comes equipped with a USB charging port for your gadgets. Plus, the dual-channel ABS offers reliable stopping power, ensuring safety on all terrains. Priced at around $2,800 to $3,000 estimated, the V-Strom 160 undercuts many competitors while offering a robust feature set. It slots in perfectly for those who want Suzuki's reliability and adventure DNA without breaking the bank. So, whether you're a commuter looking for weekend adventures or a beginner aiming to step into the world of ADVs, the Suzuki V-Strom 160 has a lot to offer. What do you think of this new adventure machine? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Future Hub for more reviews, tips, and updates from the world of motorcycles. Ride safe and see you in the next one.